Haka review meeting kabla long haka arpasan tarik bujamang arhaja arpoi ka sorkar jala kla rai penboni ki jaka sumar bad iki jing thia na ka benta ki bayo iki jing pang COVID-19 ki jaka ki baka sorkar kla thumu penkala shiki corona care center ki long ka ITI renja BTC Malki bar ka Directorate of Commerce and Industries kabadan Hanongrim Hills
But hadir bakila lipit yang ki katu katitli ki building jom ka sorkar kabakentuk ya ka ITI kampus hante hapo renja ka BTC building jom ka education hamne hapo Malki bat ka wepat ka Directorate jom ka Commerce and Industries hapo Hanongrim Hills hakaba ladangi penkela syaka Corona Care Center yang ini likely ijaka ngin yo additional ya kijakat ya jom pinompang la kuno omduna ya kai sispat san project ya bat ka sorkar menta ka jamit kala ai ya ka order syaka health department rengkat syaka district administration ba kin sedang no ya kini ki likely ijaka ban penkela syaka Corona Care Center kloi kat bala na kabentang ka pressure ka bajur haka jingwan jong ki nongpang ki bayo yonu COVID man kasgi ka banang kiyo na kapor sapor
ka sorkar kla rai ru ban bola kumno khatsan nani arpo jing thia haki PHC bar ki CHC naga benta ka ni la IT haka tanar ka koi ka khia ban pin khre ek jingdan kam hapo ka sapu phrakanta
we thought that we need to have a Corona Care Center up to the level of PHCs. CHCs and PHCs. In each and every PHCs and CHCs, at least 20 beds. Each CHCs and each PHCs. This model, I think it will be useful for those people staying in different jurisdiction of the respective CHCs and PHCs. Again, this model is being discussed. We have discussed today, and again we ask this issue once again to Health Department to work out the detailed plan and come back to the government again within 48 hours.